everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Angie Lifestyle. My name is Angie, and I'm gonna go through some of my most prized possession plants I have here. This one is my Jamaican Julie mango tree. As you can see, it's flowering. And the other one over here, I'm not sure what the variety of this one is, but it was brought here by my mom from Jamaica. When it bear fruit, we'll probably know what it is, but it's a Jamaican variety mango.
How many years you been growing that?
I think about 3 years. This one came from Keisha plant that mama brought from Jamaica. And over here I have some Scotch bonnet pepper. Right over here I have passion fruit. Over here, this is another one of my prized possession, my Jamaican East Indian mango, one of my prized possession. And this one is Neseberry that I got from a friend. He gave me the fruit and I ate the fruit and I plant the seed. I plant one and I gave Keisha the other one. So this is my my variety. Over here, no, let's go over there. Let's go over here. Over here, I have yam. This plant is yellow yam. I need to dig it up because maybe there's yam underneath. Because there's a vine. The vine is dried up, so maybe there's yam underneath. I gotta dig it up. This one is yellow yam. I bought the yam at the market. And it was like growing. I guess it's been there so long. It was growing, and I cook piece, and the other piece I plant, and it grow, and the vine is all the way up on the tree. So that's it for my yellow yam. And this one is a soft yam. Olive gave me the seeds, and I plant them in here. So far, I haven't seen anything growing yet, but we'll check it later on. And right here, all these variety are my sweet potato. All these are my sweet potatoes. They're everywhere. And over here, there's passion everywhere. Passion here, passion here, passion fruit, passion. There's another one, another passion fruit right here growing up the tree. And these two here, another mango tree. I don't know what it is, but it's some mango that we ate, and I plant the seed. And there's passion again. We just throw the seeds all over when we make the passion juice, and they're growing all over. Right here, another passion fruit. Another mango we ate, and we just plant the seed, and it's growing. Right here is Scotch bonnet pepper. Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper right here. And this is another one of my prized possession, Ackee tree, the Jamaican national dish. This is the Ackee tree. There's passion again, passion everywhere. And right here I have sorrel planted right here. They're not coming out the ground yet, but I have passion here. Not passion, sorrel here. There's another mango. Keisha gave me this mango. It's a big mango. They call them full belly. That's what this one is. There's sorrel planted right here. It's not coming out the ground yet. Another one of my prized possessions, this pineapple. Another Ackee tree right here. Passion over here. And mint right here. This is my mint tree. Right here is my mint. Over here, I have pineapple over here again. There's two more here. Two more pineapple. Another Scotch bonnet pepper tree right there. Follow me over here. These are Soursop. They burned down in the coal, but as you can see, they're coming back. So that's it for my Soursop. Follow me over here. Another pineapple right here. Another one right there.